Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This video today is dedicated to planner people. If you are a planner person like me, you probably have stickers, and I have seen hundreds of requests all the time on the socials about how to store them, what to do with them. So today I'm going to share another idea of how you can make a reusable, that's right, reusable sticker book that you can use again and again to store some of your planner stickers with items that you might even have in your kitchen. So let's go. Okay, so to make your DIY reusable sticker book, you only need a few items. The first main item you are going to need is wax paper. You can probably get that in your kitchen. If not, you can get it at your grocery store. Any wax paper will do. Second thing you need is adhesive. I am going to use this Elmer's adhesive double-sided stick tape that's very easy to put on. Next you need scissors, and then you need notebooks. Two optional things that you can add: washi tape, and this is gift wrapping cutter. This sometimes makes it easy to cut your extra wax paper at the end, but you could easily use scissors. I will show you. So as far as the notebooks go, I highly recommend you get a notebook. Any notebook will do, but you get a notebook where the pages can come out, because that just makes it so much easier to cover. You could probably still cover pages with wax paper. It would just be much more time consuming and a little bit harder. That's why I love Happy Planner. These are all Happy Planner notebooks. They were at my Michael's for like $2, $3, maybe $4. They were all on clearance, so I grabbed them. Okay, so step one is you're going to want to take out a piece of the notebook paper. Step two, you're going to want to measure the wax paper to cover both sides. I find it much easier, if you're going to be covering a lot at a time, to measure out one and then pre-cut a bunch of wax paper so it's just sitting next to you, so you can start covering more than one sheet at a time. I try to do a little overlap. I will cut it to fit. Then I get my scissors. Pull this out really quickly. And I cut to do the teacher cut. Sometimes it's easier for you to pre-measure these and cut these out in stacks, so you have these sitting here in a stack, so you can just keep grabbing them to cover. They're right there at your disposal. But for this, I'm just going to do one today just to show you. So once you have your paper out, again, okay, put it in. Either side will do. And it really doesn't matter. I really don't pay mine to these little crinkles, only because you're going to be covering them with stickers, so this does not really matter. So next, you take your adhesive. I'm using this Elmer's double-sided stick tape roller. You could use mounting squares. You could use just regular Scotch double-sided stick tape. I tried glue. I would not recommend glue. I would not recommend like rolling glue, stick glue, or Elmer's glue. I would not recommend that. It leaves like a wetness, and it does just, this is much easier. So I usually just cut. You can't even barely see it. Just put it right along the edges there. Get your paper in, and then fold your wax paper, press it down firmly. Then do it on this side. Whoops, this stuff's very forgiving. So if you're not going in a straight line, just pick it up and start again. You could barely see it. And you just cover this side. Then you have the 2 pages. Then I simply just cut off the ends. Oops, looks like there's some left over here. So wax paper is very flexible, and which makes it great for stickers, but sometimes you have to, it'll bend on you when you're cutting it, but not a big deal. You just keep cutting. And then this is also where you trim the sides here, because you don't want to cover the slits that fit into the notebook. Okay. And you cut this side. Could even bend it. Okay, so here you have your both of your sides, and then this is optional, but I do like to do this. I do like to cover the top with some sort of decorative washi. You can even take it a step further and color coordinate the washi colors to maybe the types of stickers. And by adding washi, you simply just, I'll just use this color for fun. And it makes a nice little top border. And you could do the same on the bottom. Okay, I just wanted to do a quick flip through of these finalized sticker books so you can see how I organize them. We will start with this one. This one I have organized by specific types, like specific tasks. I have birthdays and holidays, specific tasks, meal plan, household, school, sports, work plan, and travel. Here are my birthdays and holidays, and I did the layering, which I've seen a lot of people do, of the sticker sheets with washi tape. Specific tasks. These I'm using the wax paper that I have, so it makes it very easy for stickers to come on and off. And then for full sheets that I still have, I just layered. More specific tasks. This looks like date night and working out. More working out, specific tasks, quotes, if you will. Movie nights, to-dos. Okay, then I have my meal planning section. Everything having to do with meal planning and food and coffees and drinks, like my meal planning and food. Household, which I have my chores, laundry, shopping. I run payroll for my husband's company, so I put that as my chores, like a household chore. This I left blank. I will add more in the future, and these are doctor appointments. School sports section. Work and plan. This is planning stickers, work stickers, more work with meetings and appointments. And then travel. Travel and family vacation. So that's how I organized this one. And this one is what I call my decor. Anything in here that is something I would use to decorate my planner. And this one's pretty thick, so I might have to change the rings. But so I have boxes. These are just color boxes. I put them in order by color. Here's orange, yellow, pink, green, blue, pink and purple, more empty boxes. And again, I like to make my own boxes, which is why this wax paper comes in super handy. More boxes, lots of boxes. Again, in this one, I also did the staggered for boxes, boxes, boxes. The next is flags and shapes. These are different flags and shapes that I would use to decorate my planner. This is quotes, my favorite. I love quotes. Some own quotes that I made, some quotes from sticker books, more quotes in boxes, lots of quotes. These are huge. I got these heavy planner. I don't know if they'll fit in my planner. More quotes. Quotes for days. Sorry if you hear a lawnmower. It's my outside. Somebody's mowing their lawn. Okay, fall decor. I put the orange to denote anything related to fall. So here's Halloween and Thanksgiving. This is where the book gets pretty thick. Christmas and winter. Green for Christmas. I have an extra page because I know I'll have more. Blue for winter. I have Valentine's Day. Haven't filled that out yet, but I make my own stickers. This will be spring and summer. I'll make my own. These are weekends. I do make my own weekend stickers. Then I do take some from the planner sticker books. It's all the weekend stuff. And then cute icons is the last one. These are from a Happy Planner sticker book. These are just really cute, different icon pictures that you can put in your planner. So I hope you guys found this super helpful. And just one thing, I did obviously have to make more dividers, which I just did out of cardstock. It was super easy, and the labels I made on my computer. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Just another idea of something you could potentially do with your stickers and a way to store them. If you like it, I would love it if you hit the like and subscribe, and I will put links down to my channel, to my website, and everything down below this video. Thank y'all so much, and take care. Bye. If you like saving money, be sure to check out my website where you can print hundreds of games for parties, baby showers, events, wedding, bridal, bachelorette, wine. That is all. Seriously, wine for gifts, for business, holidays. Got organizing, planning, gift giving, and so much more. This is only a very small sampling of everything that I have on there. It's Print-A-Party.com with the dashes. I will link it below. Thanks y'all so much, and take care. Bye-bye.